Don't you hate it when your cake sticks to the pan? You spend all that time baking only to have it tear when you try to get it out. And given how much those little cans of nonstick spray cost, and am I the only one to get a baked on residue? There has to be a better way. Hi friend, come on in. There is a better way and it doesn't require pricey spray oil with who knows what in it. It's called cake release or cake goop, and it's my go-to trick for making sure cakes, muffins, and even bundt pans release cleanly. Let me show you how easy this is to make and how well it works. It only takes 3 ingredients in equal parts: flour, a solid fat, and a liquid fat. That's it. The beauty is you're using pantry staples you already trust and own. Today, I'm using all-purpose flour, lard, and a neutral oil. All things I always have on hand. Compared to expensive cooking sprays, this is cheaper, quicker to mix up, and it never runs out on you unexpectedly. Just stir or whip until smooth and you're done. To use it, grab a pastry brush and spread a thin, even coating inside your cake pan, muffin tin, or bundt pan, anywhere you want a clean release. For chocolate cakes, you can swap the flour for cocoa powder or dust the pan with cocoa after brushing. Of course, it's one thing to talk about it and another to show it, so here's a test. I baked cupcakes in a muffin tin that I know tends to stick. 2 wells were brushed with cake release, the center wells had nothing at all, and the last 2 got pan spray. After cooling for about 5 minutes, I popped them out. The plain wells stuck badly, as expected. The pan-sprayed wells came out clean, but the cake release? Smooth, easy release, and no tearing or sticking. For me, the win is in how simple and budget-friendly it is. I usually keep a jar in the fridge, ready to go whenever I bake. While I still use pan spray for the occasional cooking job, cake release is my go-to for every kind of baking. If you love budget-friendly tips and pantry staples, hit that subscribe button. I've got more coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with me.